have to try to figure something out with the microphone. Because when I look back at the footage, some footage today, when they're going really fast on the highway, the audio is very, very catches a lot of the wind, even with the windscreen on, the little muff, the little dead cat on there. Ooh, it stinks over here. So I'm gonna have to try to like find like some dead cat material, and then kind of see if I can somehow kind of tape it in there over some little bit of extra over the microphone. Wow, that just threw water on me. See if that works out better, because I do notice that with this helmet, do get a lot of wind that comes from right underneath the chin area. It starts hitting my neck, so I noticed that's where the wind is coming from. So I need to figure out how to diffuse that. Why they waited till right there to put on their signal light. On the way back, I might ride down the main street simply because there's more lights, and because this visor does bring the shade down, of darkness down a little bit. Probably might do that just so my eyes can get used to the darkness, because I'm not used to riding at night. I mean, even really in my car, very rarely do I go out after, you know, nighttime unless I absolutely have to. But so hopefully the video looks okay without having the extra light cube on, the light source on. I am gonna put that thing on though. The only thing I'm kind of bummed out about is like it's RGB and there's not a real true light on there. So I'm kind of debating if I should just use the different color lights, kind of like little accents to the videos. The only reason why I don't really want to, in a way, yeah, I don't need to use that quick shifter below a certain RPM. This is dangerous, sir. This is why now, if it was in my car, I would have ran the shoulder and just went around them. But like I said, it's kind of dark. It's dark out, so to do the least amount of dangerous things as possible. And with me, I'm digging it, man. I'm trying to get out the house a little more, man, like I said, and be on the scene, man, because trying to be on the scene, know what I mean? Trying to be on the scene a little bit and get out there and, you know, mingle, meet the community, man. Not only do I think it'll make everything else go better, you know, relations wise and stuff like that, but it also makes it'll also make the content a little more interesting as well. We are gonna need gas when we come back, that's for sure. Now the normal way I would have went, I'm not even trusting it that way anymore, because they're doing a lot of construction, and it's really making the traffic so bad to get on the freeway going the way that I like to go. So I've just been avoiding that area altogether. So I'm taking the back road today, which is very dark because there's not very many lights on. But we do have ambient lights out there with the houses. Nighttime, not so bad. I am wondering at night if I'm going to take off my headlight cover. It seems to project well, but since I've never really ridden at night with it, without it on, I'm curious to see what it looks like. If it's more light, I'll probably keep it off when I'm riding at night. But it seems to shine through very well when I try to make it. I tried to do exactly that, try to make the cutouts to where it wasn't like a thin silhouette of anything. It was kind of, you know, more of a design, but still letting plenty of light be able to go out to keep you safe, you know what I mean? And so yeah, I'm hoping some people show up. I figure, with these kind of things, a lot of people, what I notice is a lot of people wait on other people to like put something out or do something, and I'm usually one of those people that is like, hey, well, what's happening? What's going on where? What time is it? And things like that. And a lot of people are like that. So I'm just like, you know what? Shit, man. I need to get out there and make some stuff happen. Make some stuff happen. Like, let me go out there and start setting up. So I'm going to start slowly by just saying, hey, look, these are going to be the meetup spots. Until it starts to stick, you know what I'm saying? Becomes like habit. Until it becomes habit, man. And then, because what I really want to do is basically host a kind of like a cars and coffee kind of thing. What I really want to do. but I want to host it at my job. Like, I want to start hosting it at my job, and I think that'd be pretty cool. You know, a lot of you guys don't know I work at Dunkin' part-time, and been probably one of the best things I've done in a long time when it comes to, after retiring from the military. It's like something to do that I enjoy doing, and I get free coffee. Only when I'm working, though. Only when I'm working. We don't get employee discount. We don't get employee discount when we're not on the clock. Which I think they should change, but so, you know, that's what I'm hoping to do. I gotta be very careful up here because where I need to go, the intersection is notorious for trains and it's notorious for people getting hit. It's just, you got one major lane that comes out of the, you know, the Air Force Base, and then it connects with the main road, and then it's just, it's madness, and it's so old. They haven't updated any of the infrastructure. They haven't updated any of the infrastructure. Ooh, it just sounds so good. Yeah, we're just cruising, baby. We already went fast earlier today. We're just cruising. I need to clean off my lens for the video, for my rear view. Again, I don't know how this video is going to turn out. I think I'm shooting at 60p. Shooting at 60p, 4K, 60p, 16 by 9, or 16 by 9 aspect ratio or something like that. This is the life. My father said I never mount to stack bread by the bundles I amount to this. You can catch me on the spot with a piece of saggy. Yeah, goons on my team, you can see the bread. Sure, it wasn't sticky. But yeah, this is an infamous place because, like I said, you got the base over there. Everybody comes out. Then you got this over here. And got a bro over there. Usually people will get like upset because this is a very long unprotected light, and of course they just want to go, you know. I've had people honk at me before. They want you to go. usually let me back it up a little bit in case somebody else wants to come through.